Greetings and welcome to Astro Times today. During our last video, we understood why Sun exalts in Aries. In this video, we understand why Moon exalts in Taurus sign. So, Moon exalts in Taurus sign. So, first Moon, Taurus, the natural second house, Kritika Nakshatra. Actually, Moon has to exalt in Rohini Nakshatra because Rohini is his favorite wife, right? But Moon is not doing so. Moon is exalting in Kritika Nakshatra. So, what we have to study? We have to study Moon, the planet, Taurus, that means the house, and Kritika Nakshatra, where the moon gets exalted. Moon gets exalted at 3 degrees in Taurus sign. Let us understand Moon first. All of you know Moon represents our mind. Better say Moon represents peace of mind. He likes peace of mind. He represents mother. He represents emotions, water, milk. These are all the he represents even blood pressure, fluids in the body. These are all the some things which Moon represents. These are all the some few of the Karakatvas of Moon. Taurus sign. Let us understand Taurus sign. Taurus sign represents there are Kritika 2, 3, 4, Rohini 1, 2, 3, 4, and Mrigashira first and second padas are there in this sign. Venus is the lord of this sign. Venus is a natural enemy to the Moon. Venus and Moon are not friends, they are enemies. Kritika Nakshatra is owned by Sun. So Moon exalts in Sun's sign. Sun's Nakshatra, sorry. Sun is a king, whereas Sun is a king, Moon is a queen. Naturally, Queen exalts when she is accompanied by her husband, that is the king. This is how we can understand why Moon exalts in Kritika Nakshatra. Of course, there are so many other nakshatras which represent Sun, but Moon is not going to exalt all those things. That is what we are going to study now. Second house studies about our convenience. It talks about our savings, finances, luxuries, liquid money. These are all the few things which this second house represents. Kritika Nakshatra, now let us study. First we studied the planet. Now next we studied about second house. It represents liquid money. It requires comforts, liquid money, luxuries, our savings. These are all the things this second house represents. Kritika Nakshatra. Kritika Nakshatra basically represents this surgeons. This is what one negative point I see in this why Moon exalts in Kritika Nakshatra. Kritika Nakshatra people whose Moon is posited in this Kritika Nakshatra, they keep on criticizing others. Also, this Kritika Nakshatra, it represents, sometimes it represents surgeons, it also represents nourishments. I believe this is one of the reasons doctors, whenever we are admitted into any hospital, doctors will treat us with utmost care. This is why I think moon excels in this Kritika Nakshatra. So we studied moon. Moon represents he also he represents he represents our mind, mother, emotions. He represents blood pressure. He represents liquids. He represents milk. He represents water. These are all the things moon represents. So wherever moon is posited in your natal chart, please focus on those areas without diverting your mind. You will definitely get peace of mind. Lord of this Kritika Nakshatra is Kartikeya. When Kartikeya born, he was given to the care of 7 Kritikas. Better say 7 mothers. That means one mother 7 times. This is one of the reasons a motherly care is extended 7 times. So that is why this moon excels in Kritika Nakshatra. So whenever in last video when we studied about sun's exaltation in Aries sign, we linked this sun's exaltation to Cancer sign in say in D9 and D10. So if you do your karmas with dharma which involves dharma, definitely your soul gets satisfaction. There it is a question of soul, here it is the question of mind. We have to put our heart, soul and mind together to get any success. Sun also represents our heart. Sun, heart and soul both. So whenever moon is placed in Kritika Nakshatra, basically we observe that these people, basically they believe in serving others without expecting much money from them. That is one positive about this, whose moon is placed in this Kritika Nakshatra. When moon is placed in Kritika Nakshatra, when moon exalted, it goes to Aquarius sign in D9 and D10, which is owned by Saturn. Saturn is a bitter enemy. Then why it is going there? There is a logic behind this. Saturn likes serving humanity. Saturn, if you serve human beings, it means you are serving Lord. Your mind gets utmost satisfaction when you serve humanity without expecting money in return. That is the reason why moon excels in Taurus sign. Thank you for watching the video.